Hello, this video is introduction for my first person action kit and AI. So this system is using waypoint system. So first of all, if you will using this kit, you have to prepare your map with waypoints. I tried to be very easy. My goal is that it will be very easy. So you can see that that blue connection between waypoints where that AI can go. So when you want to add new waypoints, you will just place them, and so I will add some more waypoints. Then you will just create path between them, so you will see that that waypoint is added to that waypoint map, and then you can use some testing for waypoints. So I will put, for example, 1 to 55, sorry, and I will try found path. So 1 is there, and you will see that red path is the shortest distance. So you can test path finding. Now I will show you setup for enemy. I have here 2 enemies in this testing scenario. It's one is as a will call ally, and second will hear from his ally. So there is this is main inspector for enemy. So name, team number. So player is in team number 1. Hit points, run speed, walk speed. In future it will be, for example, slow crouch speed or something like that, crouching. So next is if that enemy can see. So classical see. So it's a range and angle. It means that that angle you must calculate as twice as much. So for example, if you want to have same angle as humans, you must put 90, and it will be 90 to each side, left and right, so together it's 180, but I will keep 60. Sense enemy, it means that around him is some range as in radius, so in this radius you see enemy or not. So I will just put up disabled. Now it's attacking, react to enemy fire. So for example, if you will shoot to him, he will turn around to that source damage position, and he will react to fire if he will see that enemy. Now is about team cooperation, if he can be called by ally and if he can call allies. So some enemies can only call allies but cannot be called, or any combination, of course. Then you will select weapon and weapon efficiency. Then you will select gun transform. It will be useful, for example, for some image, some graphic effects and raycasting, but unfortunately my enemies doesn't have good model of weapons, so it's only for demonstration, so I used as their transform enemy. Then you will choose lock type, which enemy they will lock as a current target as a first. So I will choose player, but it's not important in this stage. Then is calm behavior. So it means what enemy will do when he doesn't see any enemy and he's not searching enemy or something like that. So I then put they are not moving, but you can select they are searching enemy or they have patrol. So if you will select patrol, you will just set up some waypoints, and he will use that waypoints as some patrol route. But I will keep it idle. When they will see enemy and when you will run away, you can set up search lost enemy. It means that the bot will run to the last known position and will try searching enemy from that position. Of course, you can set up how long he will search. So for example, if you in your game will be alert time, I don't know, 60 seconds, so he will search 60 seconds, and then he will return, for example, for his patrol back to it. So now I will show you the how he will call ally. So I will move from top part, and that ally, which is named H as a here, will come to me. So I have here some debug information. So important note is that that CLI as a calling have one close enemies, but it's not actual enemies because he cannot see, they cannot hear me yet. So I am from behind. So I will put in front of him, and you can see that second enemy is going to me also, and they both are shooting on me. Right top is hit points are heading quite fast, so I have to kill them or I will die. So I don't have so I don't have that animation, but it's just only placing few lines. So thanks for watching, and this is the first version.